What's up guys, it's Nosh here and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your audio in your videos sound a lot better to your viewers. But before I start this video, I just want you guys to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because that's gonna mean a lot to me and it's gonna show that you guys enjoy my videos. So make sure you subscribe if you're a new user, and with that being said, let's get right into the video. So this app is called Lexis Audio Editor. Now I call this app the Android version of Audacity. So I'm going to be showing you guys why I call it the Android version of Audacity. So first of all, what you guys have to do is go to the link and download this app. It's probably going to take you to where you're going to download the app. So just download the app, install it and open it, and you're going to get this page. Now once you're here like this, all you have to do is click on open. Once you're at open, make sure you select your video or audio and you just click on open, and it's probably gonna load up like this and you're gonna have your project here just like this. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys the basic things you need to know about this app. So the first one I'm gonna be showing you guys is probably this tool which we can use to select where we want to cut if we make a mistake while recording. So as you can see, I'm selecting this tool which lets me select the area where I want to cut in case I have a mistake when I'm recording. So once you select the place you want to cut out, all you have to do is click on this place and then you just go down and look for a cut. As you can see, cut here, you just click on cut and it's probably gonna take off that part of your recording. Now that's one basic tool. Now the second one you guys need to know, which is the most important, is the noise removal tool. Now to use the noise removal option, all you have to do is click on this place here, click on effects and click on noise reduction. And as you can see, the settings is like this. All you have to do is just click on apply, and once you click on apply, it's probably gonna take effect on the video, or should I say audio or recording. And what this does is it removes your background noise. Any background noise you have in your video or audio, it removes it out and just give it your voice, just your natural voice. Now that's one important effect. Now the second one I'm going to show you guys is once you use the noise reduction tool, it's probably gonna decrease the sound of your voice, like reduce the volume. So what you have to do is click on this place again, click on effects and click on normalize. Now what normalize does, as you can see, the waves are going to go up a little bit. What it does is it makes everything just a normal sound. Like if there's a pop, in your video or audio, it's probably gonna reduce that and just make it normal. Also, there are lots of other effects you can use in this editor, this audio editor. There are lots of effects. As you can see, you can change the tempo, you can change the speed, you can do some stuff, you can echo, but that's not useful. I'm just trying to tell you guys how you can make your audio sound better. But anyways, that's about it for the video, guys. This is just a short video and a very useful tip. Your audio is the most important part of your video, so make sure you use this tool if you're using an Android. And that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one.